I am very excited today to share with you my first Advent calendar called the 12 Days of Christmas. This is a limited edition European Papercrafts Advent Calendar with wonderful surprises in there. Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. So today we're going to look at this Advent calendar. We're not going to unwrap everything because it's supposed to be a surprise, but I made some sample cards so you have a basic idea what will be coming in this Advent calendar. So let's get started. I grew up with Advent calendars when I was a child in Germany, and this is how they looked like. So when I was a smaller child, our Advent calendars were paper. And what you did is every day, there were 24 days, you would open a little door and you would just have a little picture behind that door. And of course, we were always looking forward to the door number 24 because that's where you had, well, here you can see is the little Jesus there. But they came in many different versions. They were glittered sometimes. You can see it here. There's another one. Look at that. It was always beautiful. It had beautiful colors. And as a child, I liked all the glitter. And it just really got me excited for Christmas. And only later we happened to have those Advent calendars that you fill up with chocolates. Most of my childhood, we had these beautiful calendars that had pretty pictures. Now, these days, they're still around in Germany, and you can see this one here that came from a magazine. So when Christmas time comes around, even the magazines have covers that are actually Advent calendars. I keep them all, so I collected them over the years. I have a full collection. And some of the calendars even came very fancy. You could stand them up like a little snow village. But the excitement was the countdown to Christmas. Every day in the morning before we went to school, we opened it up, and that was the fun. Now today, Advent calendars come in all forms, and the Advent calendar that I have created, of course, is full of craft surprises. I have been very busy the past few weeks creating this Advent calendar, the 12 Days of Christmas. I have carefully selected all the quality items in there. I wrapped them and put them in this beautiful storage pouch. This was a heartfelt project for me, and I loved it so much, and I hope you will love it too. Now, this Advent calendar will be available as of right now. So you know I will close my store in the month of September and October while I'm doing some retirement traveling. I can't wait. I'm so happy now to be retired and do some traveling. So I have to close my store in September and October. I will be back the end of October, and if there are any Advent calendars left, then you can still purchase them. But this is, of course, a limited edition, and if you want to get your hands on it, now you can get it. Now, the products in here have a value of over $110, and this Advent calendar is available for $68, including standard shipping. So this is true when this is a single purchase. You go to my store, you grab the calendar, I will send it out and pay for the shipping. Now, if you buy any other products from my store, then of course shipping charges will apply, but as a single purchase, shipping will be free. So, let's take a look in here. We're not going to unwrap everything because I do want to make sure that this remains a surprise, but I want to give you some information so you can look forward to this wonderful Christmas magic. So first, you're going to get, this is how you're going to get it. I put all the beautiful products in this storage pouch. So let me open my ribbon here. Okay, so when you get it, you will get this nifty pouch here, and that's just a bonus. That's not part of the 12 surprises in here. So let's open this up, and it's got a wonderful zipper here. There is a card in here that you could use for card making, but in the back you're gonna have some information on this advent calendar and how it came about. The next thing you're going to find is a bonus bag. Now the bonus bag has products in there that I couldn't fit in the 12 surprises, but I still wanted you to have it. So let's take a look at the bonus pack. We're gonna take that out. So in the bonus pack, you're gonna get a full sheet of these diamond glitter borders, and that's a star foam, and these got different borders in silver and gold, and they're so pretty on your projects. You're also gonna get 3 easy 3D toppers so that you have something you can start with right away. So 3 different easy 3D toppers will be in the bonus pack. You're gonna get 2 card layers, embossed card layers, one in white and one in this glittery snowy white. Look how gorgeous they are. And you're gonna get a small bag of 6 jingle bells. Those are miniature silver bells. They're not really jingle bells. They don't jingle because they are very small, but when they hit each other, it jingles. I don't know if you can hear it. So you should see how cute they look. I made a couple cards with those. So that is the bonus bag that comes in there. And now you can either unwrap these packages right away, all of them, or you can start till December 1st and start one at a time. It's really up to you. These products will make Christmas cards. So if you open it up after Christmas, and I understand some of you understand that the 12 days of Christmas really start Christmas Day and go on till till January 6th. So that's then you're a little too late for this year's Christmas. So my recommendation is go and unpack it either the beginning of December or any time earlier. All right, so we're going to go in here and now I show you what it is. So each package comes in here wrapped and it has the number on it. There might be bags. Here is a bag. Here's another bag, and each one has numbers on it. You will find everything you need to make beautiful Christmas cards, including card blings. See, here's another pack. Now, what will you get in this calendar? Without revealing too much, let me tell you a little bit of the stuff that you will get in there. So you're gonna get some die cut paper, you're gonna get cards and envelopes, you're gonna get different washi tape, rolls, 2 rolls, you're gonna get adhesive bling, you're gonna get cardstock, sticker sheets, a stamp sheet, shaker pockets, tickets, shaker pieces, foam pads, washi stickers, different stencils. You're gonna get glitter paper, you're gonna get embossed cards, you're gonna get jute bows and tags, and you're also gonna get rub-on sheet transfers, three rub-on sheets. So lots and lots of gorgeous materials in here. Here's number 6. Here is number 9. Let's see, here is number 7. So much fun having a surprise each day. Number 10. Here's number 8. And each package, of course, has these beautiful surprises in there. 11. And there is one more in here. 12. So those are the packages that you all will get with gorgeous products in there. And what you can do is leave all this wonderful product in this pouch, and then when you're done and you unwrapped everything and you made your cards, you can keep it in that pouch as well. These pouches, I love them because they hold your projects. Now, I'm not going to unwrap these, like I said, because I don't think that would be a surprise, but I will show you some cards that I have created with the products in this advent calendar. This card here I made with the easy 3D topper that you will find in your bonus pack. There is some of the cardstock, there is some of the jute bows that you get in there, the jute, jute fabric. Looks so pretty. And yeah, and a card blank that will also come in the advent calendar. So one card here, very quickly put together. The sentiments are in there as well. And you can see there is beautiful foiling on here. And I think it's so, so pretty. Let's see. Another card I created with the bonus topper, card topper. This is this embossed topper, is right here. You can see I used a couple of those gorgeous watercolor tags in there. So, so pretty. And yeah, a white card right here. Let's see what else. Use this topper again for making this card. And everything you see here will come in the calendar. So you can make the same cards. Here you can see the gorgeous borders that is in the bonus pack. Okay, there's a rub-on here. Another tag I used. But I tried to make most of my sample cards with just the bonus pack because I didn't want to reveal too much. Let me show you this card here. How beautiful is this? This is an embossed and glittered card. This also has some foiling on here. It's got these beautiful lanterns. You could use it with miniature light to really make it light up. I just put a little bit of glitter paper behind those lanterns here, and then on the inside I covered it up, and here again are those gorgeous borders. Here is a cute little snowman that you will find. There are definitely some sentiments in there, and on this one here, on this wreath, there's some bling there. You can see there are the 3 little jingle bells, and they jingle when you put them together. And all I have done is I just added some string to it, and doesn't it look cute? And you get 6 of those, so you can make 2 of these jingle clusters. Then there's also some bling here, pretty stars that you will find. My next card is a totally different look. Here I used the stencils that come in your advent calendar, some of the die cuts that come in there, the sentiments. All I have done here is just ink the edges, and then look how beautiful this jute bow looks on here. So there is this look. Here is another one that I have made with the die cuts that will come in this calendar. Look how gorgeous it is. There is also something in there where you can decorate your envelopes. Look how beautiful this looks when I open it up. It is all decorated. I decorated the front of the envelope, and I made a matching card. Here is the other piece of card layer with some bling. And wouldn't that look beautiful to give to somebody if you have matching envelopes that are also decorated? There will be shaker pockets and shaker pieces, and this is what I have created here. A beautiful shaker card, again with some die cuts from the pack. I embellished it, the paper, the cardstock, everything is available. Now the card I have created here, I created with the cardstock. The cardstock you will get is 6x8. So to make a 6x6 card, you use 2 pieces of cardstock, and you fold it over and then connect it. So the 6x8 I folded over by 6 inches, and then I had 2 inches hanging over. That's where I did my fold line, and then I cut another piece that was just 6 inches and attached it to it, and now you have a wonderful 6x6 card. And this one I have created here with this beautiful pocket, and look at this, it's got little snowmen in there. Isn't that the cutest? Cute little snowman shaker pieces, and of course lots of bling. I made another card with the shaker pieces because you're going to get more than one shaker piece. You get a whole pack. And here I have used also from the bonus pack, there will be a cup in there. So I just cut with my knife this opening into the cup, and I added tea bag in there. And I think that is so cute to have that. So again, another shaker card with shaker pieces, but this time it even has a little tea bag in there. You can also make fun fold cards if you like to. Here I created a gatefold card, very easily done. And with my die cut, I cut from this beautiful cardstock a piece. And this is a die that I have, but everything else you will find in the pack. And I decorated it again with some of the pieces. There is a washi sticker in here for my panel. So that's available. You can also make miniature cards. See, I love the miniature cards for little thank yous or just for putting the name on to from. See, all this. Isn't that the cutest? I love these cute little cards when the holidays come around. I had so much fun creating my very first advent calendar for European Papercrafts, and I think you will like it too. So treat yourself or treat your favorite crafter in your life. This would make an excellent gift for the holidays. There will be still shots of all the cards that I've created at the end of the video. They are also posted on my website. So if you need inspiration once you get the calendar, you can hop back and check out all the different cards. But I would like to hear from you if you like the idea of an advent calendar. Would this be your first advent calendar, or do you do it every year? Yeah, I would like to hear and read your comments, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. But that's all I have for you today, and I want to thank you so much for spending time with me. Please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.